Asteroids can have rings and moons. Chariklo, a small celestial body orbiting the Sun between Saturn and Uranus, belongs to a unique group of space rocks known as Centaur asteroids. These asteroids have unstable orbits that cross the paths of the giant planets. What sets Chariklo apart is its ring system, making it the smallest known object in the solar system with rings. Spanning just 250 kilometers across, this asteroid proves that planetary rings aren't exclusive to massive worlds like Saturn. Asteroids can also host their own moons. A striking example is the asteroid Ida and its tiny companion Dactyl. In 1993, NASA's Galileo spacecraft flew past Ida and captured images revealing Dactyl orbiting it. This discovery was the first confirmed evidence that asteroids can have natural satellites, reshaping our understanding of these rocky wanderers. A supernova's legacy can be seen nearly 1,000 years later. In 1054 CE, Chinese astronomers observed a sudden bright guest star in the sky, visible for several weeks. Nearly a millennium later, in the same location, we find the Crab Nebula, what remains of a massive star's explosive death. As one of the most striking supernova remnants in our galaxy, the Crab Nebula is a breathtaking snapshot of a long-ago explosion, still displaying the chaotic and intricate aftermath of the cosmic event that created it. Shooting stars blaze in different colors, depending on their elements. Meteors streak across the sky when Earth collides with tiny fragments of ice and rock drifting around the Sun. As these meteoroids enter the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, the air in front of them compresses rapidly, generating intense heat through ram pressure. This heat is then transferred to the meteoroid, causing it to vaporize in a brilliant flash of light. If you watch closely, you might notice that some meteors display vibrant colors. The brightest and longest-lasting meteors, known as fireballs, are especially likely to showcase this colorful display. The colors come from different elements within the meteoroid, which form compounds trapped in the ice or rock. When these compounds are superheated beyond their burning points, they emit specific wavelengths of light. Magnesium glows blue, white, or cyan. Calcium appears violet. Sodium shines orange. Iron burns yellow-white. And nitrogen and oxygen create distinct red hues. The Milky Way likely holds more stars than the total number of humans ever born. Ask an astronomer how many stars exist in the Milky Way, and the answer will likely range from hundreds of billions to estimates like 100 billion, 300 billion, or even 500 billion. But why such variation? Counting the stars in our galaxy isn't straightforward. Much of the Milky Way is obscured from view, and the vast distant regions we can observe contain so many stars that even the most advanced telescopes struggle to identify them individually. Instead, scientists rely on observations, calculations, and educated estimates to determine the galaxy's star population. Interestingly, anthropologists have a more precise estimate of the total number of humans who have ever lived, around 110 billion. This means it's very likely that the Milky Way contains more stars than there have ever been people in human history. As always, thanks for watching. For more interesting space facts, tap the like and subscribe.